All right, so today on Super Chef versus Supermarket, we are going to dive into the pre-mades. I mean, I'm here for a reason, because people keep requesting things they can pop in the oven, pop in the microwave for work and at home, easy like dinner. So we're gonna do Home Chef's Blackened Chicken with mashed potatoes. I'm excited for this because, I mean, it's only $8.99, and this is something you can get easily take to work for lunch instead of for going to McDonald's, Burger King, anything fast food. So let's go to the kitchen and see what it's about. All right, so we are back in the kitchen, Super Chef versus Supermarket, and today I wanted to do one of those easy, just, what is it? Heat and eat meals, because those are so big right now. People going to work, coming home late from work. It's just an easy meal to do. So I have the Home Chef Blackened Chicken with mashed potatoes. It has white meat chicken, fire roasted corn, and vegetables. Let's dive right into this. First of all, price. I just want to get to it. Price is $8.99 is what it says on here, but when I purchased it, it was only $5.99. This meal just got more delicious before I even tasted it. Because, I mean, think about it, lunch, most people spending $10 to $12 on lunch. $5.99 of a meal that is literally is what it is. It's chicken with seasoning, it's mashed potatoes, it's corn, it's some poblanos, maybe some, I don't really see the other vegetables, but it's something else in here. So price is just a winner, chicken dinner. I mean, or lunch. No pun intended there. Then let's go to nutrition. All right, so nutrition is tricky here. Like we know, most prepackaged meals have tons of sodium. And this, 40% of your daily value. A lot of total fat is about, saturated fats are about 65% of your daily value. That's a lot. Sodium, 40%. You know, protein, 20. That's a win. 20 grams of protein. I mean, it is what it is. There is going to be saturated fats in food. It is what it is. There's going to be some level of sodium. You just got to balance it out. Like, that's going to be the key for this. So nutrition, I give it a C plus, B minus. Price, A plus, 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 plus. Now, the most important thing for most people is how it tastes. Because most people can't commit to something that don't taste good. So let's go ahead and dive into this. The mashed potatoes have like a nice little like butter on top of them. Chicken, like I told you, has the corn. I see like 2 peppers. I don't know where the other vegetables are coming from, but let's dive in. I should have never did this show hungry. Never should I did it hungry. Wow, not gonna lie. This is a really satisfying meal. I mean, it has tons of flavor. I think they got the blackened, the butter they put, this compound butter they put on top of the mashed potatoes, really just wakes it up, makes it vibrant. It has, remember growing up, you used to get those meals with meat, potatoes, vegetables, and a brownie, you know what I'm saying, the dinner meals. The potatoes have that kind of texture to them, which is weird. But the flavor on this is killing it. As far as it goes, and just so y'all know, I'm not a Home Chef fan. I'm not a Home Chef supporter. I am biased. I am trying this out because people have DM'd us, let us know they want to see pre-made meals from grocery stores. So that is why you have this. But when it comes to taste, I got to give it a solid B. I mean, whenever you get food like chicken that's already 100% cooked and you warm it up more, it's now 125% cooked. So, I mean, I'm not going to judge them on that. It is what it is. They'd gave you raw chicken, it wouldn't have been done. You'd have cross-contaminated food. You'd be sick and in the hospital. So, I would recommend this blackened chicken with mashed potatoes Home Chef meal over 80% of the meals you can go into a store and grab, as far as like a Chipotle or a Chick-fil-A, which I like, so I'm not a hater, but there's also like 80 ingredients inside of a fried chicken sandwich. So make your mind up what you want to be, how you want to eat. But at the end of the day, what I'm going to do is give you my Super Chef versus Supermarket opinion, and you have it. DM us and let us know what you want us to try out. We'll see you next time.